In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you need to do is that you want to open Google Photos. Once you do that, click on your profile on the top right corner and then scroll down and then click on the photo settings. Once you do that, click on the preferences option right over here and then click on the stack similar photos option. And then what you need to do is that you want to click or turn on the button that says stack similar photos. So turn it on and then go back, and your similar photos should be stacked together. As for me, I don't have any similar photos, but once you have similar photos, or if you have similar photos, they should be stacked together and you'll be able to delete them. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.